Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Elegant World. If you are a YouTuber looking to boost your channel's engagement and maximize your video reach, you are in the right place. Today I'll show you why scheduling and premiering your video is game changer to your channel. Many creators just upload their video randomly, but that is not the best strategy for you as a YouTube creator, because YouTube gives us a very much powerful tools like that of scheduling and premiering, which can help you get more views, more engagement, and loyal audience. So my friends, please try to stick around as I walk you through how to schedule and premiere your video step by step, along with the benefits of each. So let's get started. In this tutorial, I will tell you why scheduling your video is very important, how to schedule a video on YouTube, what is Premiere and why it is used, how to set up a YouTube Premiere, and finally, we will have a look at on which one to use, scheduling or premiering. Let's get started from the first section. That is why scheduling a YouTube video is so important. It is so important for many different reasons, but to mention some important ones, firstly, uploading consistently without stress is very much possible on scheduling. That is one major reason to schedule your video is to maintain consistency without stress. Imagine having a busy day and forgetting to upload. Your audiences want to know when to expect your content. But with scheduling, you can upload video in advance and let the YouTube to publish your videos automatically at your best chosen time. The second advantage is hitting the best posting time is possible on scheduling. Let me ask you a question. If you have ever wondered why some YouTubers get massive views within a minute, that is because they post their videos at the right time. No magic beyond that. So by scheduling your video, you can target peak hours when your audience is most active. To find your best posting time, please just try to go to YouTube Studio, Analytics, and Audience tab. Let us do it together. Go to YouTube Studio, Analytics, go to Analytics, and Audience. Here you will see your best time. You will see your best time to upload your videos. The third advantage is getting better algorithm boost. Scheduling also helps with the YouTube algorithm. When you post videos consistently at the same time, YouTube will start to recommend your content more often because it can easily recognize your pattern. That is the best reason, and no magic beyond that. This means more views and better audience retention will be gained over time for your channel. In the second section, my friends, we will have a look at on how to schedule a video on YouTube. We'll have a look at on how to schedule a video on YouTube. Let's see it together. Go to YouTube Studio, hit on the click button and upload videos. Select your file. Select your file to upload, and you can select one file just to upload. Let me select one file. Let me select this one just to inform you. Then you have to give titles, your description, thumbnails. Go to your playlists, add your video to your playlists, and hit on show more. Hit on show more, and then you can adjust tags. You can add as many tags and hashtags as possible because these all are very much important for your videos discoverability. Then you can also add category to your videos because it is very much important for your videos, for your viewers to easily find your videos, and then go to visibility, and schedule. You will see schedule. Don't directly hit on this publish button. Rather, you have to schedule. You have to hit on schedule and prepare your best time to publish your video. So my friends, try to click on schedule instead of clicking publish, because this is the key part. Don't directly click on publish right away. Instead, scroll down to the visibility section and select schedule and pick the date and time when you want your videos to go live. That is the best way to do, my friends. In the third section, we are going to see what is YouTube Premiere and why it is used. Here in this section, we are going to see what is YouTube Premiere, because now that we have covered scheduling. So let's talk about the YouTube Premiere. This is a feature like a live event for your pre-recorded video. Instead of just uploading and hitting publish, you can create a hype and watch your video with your audience in real time. So my friends, premiering do have a number of benefits. Let us discuss with some important benefits. First, instant engagement with viewers is very much possible on premiering. When you premiere a video, there is a probability of live chat, just like in a live stream. So your viewers can easily chat, ask questions in a real time, making it fun and interactive experience. The second advantage of premiering is it can boost initial views and watch time. So since premieres feel like an event, more people can join, leading to high watch time, which is great for the YouTube algorithm. And the third advantage is it can create a sense of community. My friends, please just remember that your fans love feeling connected to their favorite creators. So a premiere lets you interact with your audience personally and keep them excited in your future video. In the fourth section, we are going to see how to set up a YouTube Premiere, which is a continuation of scheduling. To do so, just upload your videos normally and select Premiere instead of publishing. So once your video is uploaded, go to the visibility section and choose Set as Instant Premiere or Schedule Premiere, rather than just directly publishing your video. To do so, let us do it together. Just go to Schedule and select your better date here, and then hit schedule. Afterwards, you are expected to share your Premiere link, because YouTube will generate a link before video goes live. So you have to share this link on social media, your community tabs, or even through emails to let the people know about your upcoming premiere. In the last section, we are going to see which one to use, either from scheduling and from premiering. So should you schedule or premiere right now? That is the best question that I'm going to ask you. Which one you prefer? Let me tell you what to use. If it is a regular upload, scheduling works fine. But if you have a big video, like a major announcement or special episodes, premiering is the way to go for your content. And that's it, my friends. Now that you know how to schedule your video like a pro and how to use a YouTube Premiere to engage with your audiences in real time, let me know in the comments below if you prefer either from scheduling or premiering on your videos. And if you find this video very much helpful, please don't forget to like this video, share for your friends, and subscribe to my channel Elegant World for more YouTube growth tips. See you in the next video and wish you happy uploading. Thank you for watching.